Hey there fellows, what's up? Welcome to this new video. So in today's video we'll be seeing how to check your cash app balance through without the phone. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel or require to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to never miss any channel content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we'll start right after the intro. For sure, Cash App is actually a mobile app that allows customers to actually do business and a couple of things through its mobile application. Yeah, the mobile application is actually a center core for Cash App's transaction. But however, that's not the only way to actually carry out transactions with Cash App. So Cash App features its own website that actually lets you do a couple of transactions, including even checking your Cash App balance. With that said, that is one of the ways we're going to use to check our Cash App balance without having to use the app. So to check your Cash App balance without having to use the app, just log into your Cash App account at the Cash App website. The link will be provided in the description. And the second step will be to navigate into your activity or money tab, and from there you'll be able to view your cash app balance displayed right away. So guys, that's one of the ways to actually check your cash app balance without having to use the mobile app. The second way you can actually check your cash app balance without having to use the app is by calling the cash app customer support service. The number is actually being displayed on the screen right now, so you can just copy it down and then call the number by the end of this video. So guys, as a quick recap, let's cover back the two ways to check your cash app balance without having to use the mobile app. First is by navigating through the cash app website and logging into your account and checking your balance through the activity tab. And secondly is by calling Cash App customer support service to inquire your account balance. So guys, those are the two ways to check your Cash App balance without having to use the app. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. So guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.